Okay, students, I'm going to show you how to complete a PlayPosit when assigned to you by your teacher through Schoology. So every PlayPosit that is assigned is going to have this icon next to it. We are going to do the how to do a PlayPosit assignment. All right, when I click on the assignment, I do have the option to go full screen if I choose. I tend to like the view like this and just scroll up a little bit. It's up to you what your preference is. I'm going to click this button, which is going to start the video. As the video starts playing, I'm going to pause it here for a second. Here's where play and pause would be located. Okay. And I am unable to skip ahead. All I can do is rewind to where I had been before. So I'm going to click play again. And just let the video play. I have to listen to the instruction, whatever is being presented in the video, paying attention. Okay. I'm going to pause here for a second. On settings, okay, I can alter the speed. That's what you can change through the settings. This is to go back 10 seconds. Here is where I can open up the progress window. It's also where I can take notes. This looks like a mitochondria. Sometimes my teacher might want me to take notes. Okay. All right. So I can close this or I can close this. There you go. Now I'm going to press play. I'm going to continue watching the video. All I need to do is pay attention, listen to the video, and again, I can rewind, but I cannot go forward in the video. I'm going to have to watch what's being presented. Now, here's my first question. It says I have to complete this first. So what organelle is this? Remember, I took that note. I thought it was a mitochondria. I'm going to click submit. It tells me, yes, I was right. It gives me a little bit of feedback. I click continue. If I want to see that again, I click this. I can go back to review. There's where my notes were. Transcript, it says none is available. I can see notes here. Here's review. I can see that I got 1 out of 1 correct. I can either simply press this or press the X. Okay, so now I need to close this. Press play if I get stuck on a question. You see I was sort of lagged there. What organelle is this? I'm going to choose this one and click submit. Oh, darn it. It was not the mitochondria. Oh, that was the last question. This is the nucleus. Click continue. Okay, again, either I can get to that review screen. This is, okay, through here, or once I have this bar open, I can do it this way. Okay, so this, oh, here's my question. Looks like, what organelle is this? Chloroplast. Click continue. Any other organelle? So let's say lysosome digestion. Okay, that's the function. Click continue. All right, now it tells me something has to be graded by my teacher. It tells me I got a right answer, and a wrong answer. I can wait for my teacher to grade this, or I can simply retry the bulb right away. Again, here's where I can see the notes. Here's where if the transcript was available, okay, you can see the symbols, review, notes, transcript. The symbol changes over here. Sorry, had to sneeze. So the symbol changes over here. If I press the symbol, it goes away, no matter what symbol is there. And I can also use the X to close it out. If I don't see that bar, I'm going to press this. That's going to open up the bar, allowing it to be visible.